If you want to add stickers to your photos on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the Photos app, and in the Photos app, just select a photo on which you want to apply some stickers. For example, I will select this photo. After that, just tap on the Edit button and tap on the marker icon at the top of the screen. Now, after you open this section, just tap on the plus icon, and from this pop-up menu, just select Add Sticker. And once you do that, you will open the Stickers section. And from here, you can select any type of sticker which you want to set. Just like that. After you select the type of sticker which you want to add, just tap on the sticker to add it to your photo. You can resize it from here. And also you can create a duplicate of the same sticker from here. Just like that. And you can add as many stickers as you like. Just like that. Now once you're done adding stickers, just tap on Done. Then tap on Done one more time. And once you do that, you will add stickers to your photos. Just like that. And this is how you can add stickers to your photos on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.